What's up? And first of all, Happy New Year to every and all of one, you guys. Happy 2021. And before I have something awesome for you guys, but before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, click that notification bell, share this video to all of your friends, and comment down below. Sharing is optional. But anyways, today we're going to be unboxing a MacBook Air computer. Now, it just came in a box, so let's just open this. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah, let's go. This is looking good. How do we even take this off? I need scissors. It should be somewhere over here, right? Oh yay! It's over here. So, wow. Let's just take them off. Oh my gosh, stop falling down. Let's just open this up. This is gonna be the best. Holy guacamole, this is so cool. So, if you guys want to buy the Pro and this is a MacBook Air. The Pro's good too, but I would recommend buying the Air because this one is better. But you can buy whichever one you want. So, oh my goodness, it's so hard to see where to open from. Come on. Holy, this is so hard to open. So that's why they gave this space on here. Oh my goodness, I can't even see. Whoa, look inside here, guys. This like launches something. It's gonna take a long time to look. It also comes with a charger, and I don't know what this is. Ooh, what is this? Who knows? So we have to select the language.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
English? Yeah, English. Okay. Go on. I said the language is English. So this is going to be the end of today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click that notification bell. Share this video to all of your friends. That's optional. And also comment down below. And happy 2021. Happy New Year. Yeah. So this is going to be the end of today's video.
Contains a